Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to download and install Valorant on your PC or laptop. So Valorant is a popular free online multiplayer game and I will show you how to get it step by step. At first, open your web browser, Chrome, Edge or whatever you prefer, then type in playvalorant.com and then hit enter. Once on the site, all you have to do is press the big play for free button, and now next select your platform. Here we will choose PC and you need a Riot account to play. If you don't have one, go ahead and then create an account or just sign in if you already have. And now all you have to do is click this download button to get the Valorant launcher. Now I'm going to save this in my download folder and hit save. And now all you have to do is open your download folder in the file explorer. So let's go. And now find install Valorant extension. Double click it to run. Now all you have to do is hit install to begin the process. Valorant is a big game, so it might take some time to download and install, so be patient, and once it's finished you're all set to start playing Valorant. And enjoy the game, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.